Is it time to buy or sell GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2025, our system has ranked GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.03. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.42%. This amounts to an average return of 0.03% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may typically present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $19.13 is breached, it will first indicate a more significant rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 14.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 100% to 676.19%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 5.3%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 45.73% and 964.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $15.75 and $309.03. Our latest daily update for GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF includes the headline, Big movements in GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF price on Friday, moving 20.6% between high and low. The GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily ETF price fell by negative 14.79% on the last day, which was Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, from $34.07 to $29.03. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 20.6% from a day low at $28.15 to a day high of $33.95. The price has been quite volatile during this period, with a negative 10.73% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 10 million shares. Though this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal an early warning, slightly increasing risk over the next couple of days. In total, 12 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $356.66 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $347.68, and the lowest price was $19.66. Currently, the price is 91.65% or $318.65 below the 52-week high of $347.68, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. PTIR is a 2x leveraged exchange-traded fund linked to Palantir. Recent discussions in the market have highlighted its function as a high-energy trading tool rather than a long-term investment option. In the short term, inflows into PTIR during this risk-on phase amplify movements in PLTR. Positive earnings reports or announcements of new contracts can lead to a significant increase in PTIR, while any earnings shortfall or disappointing partnership news, considering Palantir's high valuation, can quickly erase gains. The very leverage and daily adjustments that create exceptional weekly returns also heighten volatility and potential losses for those who do not carefully manage their entry and exit points. Over a longer period, consistent demand for single-stock leveraged ETFs may enhance liquidity and generate additional buying pressure on the underlying stock, helping to maintain price levels if fundamental factors such as government contracts and healthcare agreements develop as anticipated. However, If Palantir fails to meet its lofty expectations, the leveraged exposure could magnify losses and trigger rapid outflows, worsening declines. In summary, PTIR serves as a tactical, high-risk enhancer of Palantir's movements, effective for short-term traders but potentially perilous for long-term investors. The following signals have been identified for GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund. The GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund holds a sell signal from a short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the exchange-traded fund, presenting a positive forecast. In the event of further gains, the exchange-traded fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $31.74. Conversely, if the price declines, the exchange-traded fund will find support from the long-term average at approximately $27.99. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, July 11, 2025, and thus far, it has risen 38.5%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, serving as an early warning, suggesting that close monitoring of the exchange-traded fund is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 60 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal from 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily Exchange Traded Fund. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.10 and $24.86. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily Exchange Traded Fund finds support just below today's level at $25.10. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $24.86 and $24.29. This fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This exchange-traded fund is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the fund moved $5.80 between its high and low, or 20.6%. Over the last week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 8.57%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund is at $30.55. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund encounters its first support level at $25.10. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $28.16, reflecting a decrease of 2.98%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. A buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 59 days ago. Is GraniteShares 2x Long Platinum Daily Exchange Traded Fund a good buy? GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily Exchange-Traded Fund holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this exchange-traded fund since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of October, we expect GraniteShares 2x Long Pltr Daily Exchange-Traded Fund to open higher by $1.35, starting trading at $30.38. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.